ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 15-17 उत्तमपुरुषस्त्वन्यः उत्तमपुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः पदच्छेदे उत्तमः पुरुषः तु अन्यः परमात्मा इति उदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः पदच्छेदे यः लोकत्रयम् आविश्य बिभर्ति अव्ययः ईश्वरः। वाक्यांशः विश्लेषण। I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयः, कर्मपदीयः, अन्यसुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. I have colored them differently. Where कर्तृपदीयाः make the subject words, subject related words, कर्तृपदीयः, which make the by subject and predicate analysis, कर्तृपदीयः become the subject related words and कर्मपदीयाः अन्यसुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः are all the predicate related words. So that is why I have colored them differently. 1a यः अव्ययः ईश्वरः लोकत्रयम् आविश्य बिभर्ति. In 1a लोकत्रयम् is object of avishya. यः अव्ययः ईश्वरः is the common subject for avishya in 1a and bibharti in 1b. परमात्मा इति उदाहृतः सः उत्तमः पुरुषः अन्यः तु भवति. वाक्यांशः 1c परमात्मा इति उदाहृतः is adjectival of सः उत्तमः पुरुषः in 1d. So that way the complete phrase can be taken to be kartrupadiya as a adjective, but because we have segregated the vakyansha, the two phrases 1c and 1d separately, as 1c this analysis is okay, vishleshana is okay, so this one also is okay. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः. वाक्यांशौ 1a plus 1b यः अव्ययः ईश्वरः लोकत्रयम् आविश्य बिभर्ति. यः यत् सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनम्, अव्ययः अव्यय विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनम्, अव्यय एडजेक्टिव. नास्ति व्ययः यस्य, not liable to change, imperishable, undecaying, immutable. वेद अविनाशनं नित्यं ह्येनम् अजमव्ययम्. भगवद्गीता 2.21. विनाशमव्यस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति. Bhagavad-gita 2.17. Same word avyaya occurs in 4.1, 6, 4.1 and 6, 13. Then 7.24, 25, 15.5, 17. So many places. Ashwatham prahuravam 15.1. Akirtim kathayishyanti te vyayam 2.24. With different shades of meaning in different shloka at so many places. ईश्वरः ईश्वर विशेषण अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. ईश्वर एडजेक्टिव. ईश्वरा और ईश्वरी फेमिनिन. ईश्वरच वरच इति प्रत्ययः सफिक्स as detailed in पाणिनीय अष्टाध्यायी 3.2.175. So Ishvara powerful, able, capable of, with infinitive. वसतिं प्रियकामिनां प्रियास्त्वद्रुते प्रापयितुं क ईश्वरः. ईश्वरं लोकोऽर्थतः सेवते. So कपीश्वरः, कौशलेश्वरः, हृदयेश्वरः, और then other different quotations. ईश्वरस्तु पर्जन्यवत् द्रष्टव्यः. ब्रह्मसूत्र शांकर भाष्य. Here the supreme God, Parmeshwara, ईश एवाहमत्यर्थम न च मामीशते परे ददामि च सदैश्वर्यम् ईश्वरस्तेन कीर्तितः. So तेन ईश्वरः कीर्तितः. This is how Ishvara has been become well known, Kirtita. So in a way, this is the definition of Ishvara. Dadami cha sada Aishwarya. Ishvara tena Kirtita. Lokatrayam, Lokatraya Visheshanam. Atra Pusakalingam Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Lokanam Trayamiti Lokatrayam. Shashti Tatpusha. Lokanam, Loka, Pullingam Shashti Bahochanam. Lokaha, Lokyate Asau. Lok, hai, the world, a division of the universe. Roughly speaking, there are three lokas, Swarga, Prithvi and Patal. But according to fuller classification, the lokas are 14, 7 higher regions rising from the earth, one above the other. That is Bhurloka, Bhuvarloka, Swarloka, Maharloka, Janarloka, Aparloka, and Satyaloka or Brahmaloka. And 7 lower regions descending from the earth, one below the other. That is Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Rasatala, Talatala, Mahatala, and Patala. The earth, terrestrial world, Bhuloka, Ihaloka, etc. Basically, a division of the universe. Here, Trayam, Traya, triad, as a set of three, Visheshana. Atra Napusakalingam Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Avishya, Avish Dhatoho Levantam. Avish Shashtaganiyaha Ubhayapadi. To enter. Gauri Gurur Gauvarama Vivesha. Take possession of, possess, effect. Gudama Vishantina Panditam. So Bhayam, Moha, Krodha, Avish. To go towards, approach. To go or attain to a particular state. Sukham Avish, Manyum Avish. To arise. Vibharti. Bhrudatoho, Parasmai, Lati, Pradhama Purusha Ekvajanam. Bhru, Bhroi, Dharana Poshanayo. To wear, to bear, to support, to nourish, to protect. Juhotyadi. Truti Ganeha Ubhayapadi, Sakarmakaha, Anil. This dhatu is Ubhayapadi, but here Vibharti is Parasmai. Vakyamshaha 1c. Paramatma iti udarvata. Paramatma. Paramatman. Pullingam Prathama Ekujanam. Paramaha Atma iti Paramatma. Karmadharaya. Paramaha. Parama Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam Prathama Ekujanam. Parama adjective. Param Paratvam Maati. Most distant, last, highest, best, most excellent, greatest. Prapnoti Paramam Gatim. Chief, principal, primary, supreme. Sarvatha Brahmana Pujya Paramam Daivatam Hita. Exceeding, exceed, adequate, sufficient. Paramam Yatnamatishtet Neta Stenanam Nigrahe Nrupaha. Worse, higher than, superior to. Supreme with a good name. Atma, Atman, soul. Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Iti Avyayam. Like this. Udarruta. Udarru Dhatohukta Visheshanam. Udarruta. Atra Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Udarruta. Past participle. Said. Uttered. Tat Tamasam Udarrutam. Bhagavad Gita 17.19. Named. Called. Shrutanvito Dashatad Ityudarruta. Illustrated, stipulated. Called is a good meaning. Vakyamshaha 1d. Saha Uttamaha Purusha tu Anyah Bhavati. Saha Tat Sarvanama. Atra Pullingam Prathama Ekvajanam. Uttamaha. Uttama. Excellent. Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam Prathama Ekvajanam. Purushaha. Purusha. Pullingam Prathama Ekvajanam. Purushaha. Puri Dehe Shete. Shida. Pushodharatam. Pura Agragamane. Kushan. Unadi. A male being, man, Arthata Purusho Nari, Yanari, Sarthata Kumar. Man, mankind, member or representative of a generation, an officer, functionary, agent. The height of measure of a man, considered as a measure of length. Do Purusho Pramanamasya, Sa Dvipurusha, Dvipurushi, Parikha, appropriate meaning here is the soul. Dvavimo Purusho Loke Ksharasya Akshara Evacha. This is from Bhagavad Gita 15.16. Tu avyayam, however, anyaha, anyat, another, sarvanama, अथ पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम भवति भू धातोः लटि प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम भू सत्तायाम टू एग्जिस्ट टू बिकम टू बी टू हैपन वादि प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट अन्वयार्थः ओवरऑल मीनिंग यः अव्ययः ईश्वरः लोकत्रयम् आविश्य बिभर्ति being the changeless Lord by entering into the triad of the world may sustains it. Paramatma iti udarata, spoken of as the Supreme Self, Saha Uttama Purushatu Anya Bhavati, is that highest person distinct from both these. Both these is the Ksharaha Purusha and Aksharaha Purusha mentioned in the previous shloka. Here, Uttamaha Purusha. छंदो विश्लेषण उत्तम पुरुषस्त्वन्यः अष्टक्षाणि पुरुषस्त्वन्यः एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे परमात्मेत्युदारभूतः अष्टक्षाणि त्युदारभु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य अष्टक्षाणि यमाविश्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे बिभर्त्य व्यय ईश्वरः अष्टक्षाणि य ईश्वर एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् पञ्चदशाध्याये सप्तदशे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः notes of self study. In the previous shlokaha and this shlokaha together, there is mention of three persons, Traya Purushaha, Ksharaha, Aksharaha and Uttamaha. Since Uttamaha Purushaha is called as Paramatma, the Supreme Soul, can Ksharaha Purusha and Aksharaha Purusha also be some state of Atma? Or are Purushaha and Atma to be taken to be synonymous? Sounds to be a valid question, right? Even at the risk of complicating the issue, it comes to mind that Uttamaha Purushaha, the Paramatma, is the Purusha as spoken of in Purusha Suktam. Uttamaha Purusha, as mentioned here, is Avyayaha, Ishvaraha, Lokatrayam Avishya Bibharti. Being the changeless law, by entering the triad of the world, sustains it. Purushaha in Purusuktam also, Bhumim Vishwato Vrutva Atyatishtat Shangulam. Bhumim Vrutva Avishya, Lokatrayam Avishya. Comes to mind that these two seemingly synonymous words, Purushaha and Atma, may even be connected further to Brahma Tattva. As if for a coincidence, it happens that in a WhatsApp group we are presently studying Mandukya Upanishad. There is Sarvam hi etat Brahma, Ayam Atma Brahma, mantraha do. So Atma and Brahma get connected. Earlier we were connected Purusha and Atma. Actually, mantra 1 in Mandukya Upanishad starts with a statement, Om ityetat aksharam idam sarvam tasya upavyakhyanam bhutam bhavat bhavishyat iti sarvam omkara eva. Yaccha anyat trikalatidam tadapi omkara eva. So, this connects well with Aksharam Brahma Paramam, Gita 8-3. And further to Om Ityeka Aksharam Brahma, Gita 8-13 also. Isn't it charming how there is a good handshake between the philosophical thoughts in different scriptures? Gita, Purusha Suktam, Rigveda. Purusha Suktam is from Rigveda 10.90, Mandukya Upanishad. The synonymity is clear by the one-to-one correspondence between the statements. Sarvam Omkara Eva, Mandukya Upanishad. Sarvam Hetat Brahma, Mandukya Upanishad 2. Purusha Vedam Sarvam, Purusha Suktam. Aksharam Brahma Paravam, Gita 8-3. And Om Ityeka Aksharam Brahma, Gita 8-13. But there is a difference. Here, in these two shlokas, there is mention of three persons, Traya Purusha, Ksharaha, Aksharaha and Uttamaha. So, Aksharaha Purusha and Uttamaha Purusha are not one and the same. This merits deliberation. right? This Gita Abhyasa is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padacheda, Vakyamsha Visheshanam, Shabdabhyasa, Chando Visheshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayartha and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study. This study is Swanta Sukhaya, for self-contentment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubham Astu.